Welcome to a demonstration of the Assignment Assistant product. The product is a software as a service solution that is device independent, which relieves students' homework frustration by correcting students' assignment in line while intelligently providing them with tailored assistance if they need it. It automates teachers' administrative tasks, thereby allowing them to spend at least 30% more time focusing on individual student needs. It provides parents with actionable, up-to-the-minute quantitative and qualitative student performance data. And best of all, it can be introduced seamlessly into existing classrooms at any time during the year without requiring curriculum changes or teacher retraining. Let's start with the student's view of the product. This is a student workbook. Down the left-hand side, it lists all the assignments that the teacher has assigned to the student. Check mark means the student has completed it. Blank means they have not. This information is also available to the parents, therefore there's no miscommunications. It also saves teachers and parents time regarding tracking and follow-up. This arrow indicates that this is the assignment that is currently being worked on, and it is displayed up here where there are 6 problems here. Problem 6, 1, and 2 have already been completed. Problem 3 is what's being displayed. There's an infinite whiteboard here for the student to work on, which saves paper and weight in the backpack. Once the student has completed some work, they circle it and they submit it, and it gives them immediate feedback on whether they got it right or wrong. They can continue working on it, circle that answer and submit it, and once again they have gotten it wrong. This paradigm is that if you get it wrong 3 times, it'll mark it incorrect, but we do not want them to get it wrong, so it's time for them to get help. If they hover over any keywords, it'll give them a definition and an example. Over here they can get some hints, which is a step-by-step walkthrough of a similar problem to the one they're doing. There are common errors, and in this case there are 3 related to this type of a problem, and they can review the common errors that people make in various ways. Also, if they had trouble following the teacher or they weren't able to attend class, there are tutorials of different length and different styles that they can review. Once they have gotten the help that they need, then they can come back and fix the error that they made, circle it, submit it, and they then get it right. The goal is that every student will get 100% on their homework every night. To get more information about the assignment, you can double click on it and get the due date, the assigned date, the estimated time of how long it should take them to do it, the number of problems involved, the percent they're done at this point in time, and how much time they spent so far on it. Once they've completed it, it'll grade it and give them a quantitative grade. There's also a qualitative grade, which takes into consideration the amount of hints, help, etc. that they've gotten in doing the assignment. There's an assignment name and any notes the teacher may want to put in for the students to view. This is the teacher's assignment creation screen. The teacher drills down through the chapters, through the topics, arriving at the standard assignments that are pre-loaded for this topic. They also can create one from scratch. If they want to see what's included in the standard assignment, they click on it. If they want to remove or add a particular problem to the assignment, they can do that simply by clicking on it. Once they are happy with the assignment, they can drag it up to the assignment bar and put it in here. They then select a due date, an assigned date, and when they want to publish the assignment for the students to see. They can change the assignment name if they want, and any details, and put in any notes that they want. As students are completing their homework, a teacher's gradebook is automatically being updated on a real-time basis. A teacher can see on a problem-by-problem basis exactly where their students stand. The numbers within the box represent the amount of time a student has spent on a particular problem. In this case, you can see that this student has not yet completed their problems. That could be because you're looking at this at, say, 7 o'clock at night. You also could look at this 10 minutes before you walked into class to see the status. The color coding helps the teacher see what students got their problems incorrect, those who got them correct, and those who got them correct very quickly. It has totals by problem and totals for the student, both in terms of percent and in terms of grade. If you want to look and see why a student got a particular problem wrong, You can click on it and you can see the work they have done and identify the problem that they might have had. In addition, parents and students can see this screen. Of course, they could only see their information as it compared to the class total. There's also a summary screen which shows each of the assignments that have been shown to date. This is the one we were just looking at, and it gives total averages. Again, parents and students can take a look at this as they compare to the class averages.